Oh, he's close. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh, he's got me on the line. Come on, car. Come on! Wow. Okay. I was a little bit surprised about that. So, Danny, you won that. So that's 1 to me and 1 to you. We should definitely do best 2 out of 3.
I'm sure losing it.
You reckon? No,
Yeah.
You never know. You won that one. Let's find out. Best 2 out of 3. Chris, do you reckon you can get a better launch?
I reckon I can, yeah. But we as motorcyclists are winning. Does that count?
What, in terms of overall points?
Well,
All right then. Okay then, let's go for a third race.
3, 2, 1.
Chris is away. Here comes Danny. He's coming! Come on!